Now it is.
Hello. This is the Shankmeister X.
Loser.
No. And I will be doing my funny sounds that I do. This sound is called a burp. Oh, that was weak!
Stop, John.
You should stop. This next sound is a Japanese girl. I don't know. It's like pornography noise.
Stop.
Yeah, you know that's cool. And this noise is
No,
my...
it's not.
What?
I said no, it's not.
Oh god, I feel one coming. Oh, shut up, Brian. This noise, now, you could consider it a parrot noise. Yeah, sort of like a parrot noise.
My name is... I don't know. I can do that. You can't.
Hello.
Yeah, I don't really talk like that.
Yeah, that's...
Hold still and look at the camera. How's it working?
Because, I don't know. What other funny noises can I do?
I like Barco.
Like Marco!
This is seriously what that kid sounds like.
Yeah, I mean seriously, he's like, ah!
Basically.
And that's outside. There's snow on the ground. We don't live in Florida.
No, we live in Connecticut.
John, they're gonna bomb Connecticut now. Don't ever give out personal information on the internet.
It's not even... Wait.
That couldn't be real.
That could have been.
Now stop before my sister wakes up in like angry rage.
Well, I think that's all